Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to Stonkanacci. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. And last week, we had our support resistance lines drawn out to 407.34 if it got worst case scenario bearish. And it was looking bullish, but due to earnings volatility, we did end up coming down to 407.34. And this was the last video support line, just to show you guys it wasn't pulled up right now. And then so here we go, wicked right down to 407.34. So let me know, guys, if there's anybody else out there doing TA that's good, because I'm pretty sure I'm the best at support resistance. And as you can see, 407.38 was the low, if you're looking at right here. So I was within 0.4 tenths of the bottom. So stick with us, guys. We're going to be doing this as often as I can. And we'll get into the technicals later. I just wanted to brag on myself a little bit for that. And anybody that stays to the end of the videos, congratulations. And so here we are, looking at Wall Street bets. And my friends keep making fun of me, even though I've been in since $8 in GameStop. And CNN every morning. Stocks slide as stimulus prospects dim. Stocks rally as stimulus hopes. So that's their cues. And also this guy, me on Neo GM Ford. When you're more careful managing your money in video games than real life, I'm gonna be honest with you, kind of retarded. Alex Jones. And if you hadn't seen Alex Jones and Joe Rogan talk on YouTube, might be the best podcast ever. And here we go, some game porn on Wall Street bets. Let's see what we got here. Snap games, so people making money in Snapchat. That thing is just went straight up. And then the lost porn, we got see here, looking for sugar daddy to turn this back green. Yeah, really no specific stocks, just people losing money like usual. And then here's Elon Musk, 100 successful flights. So this is pretty awesome if you hadn't seen it too. So why mess with any other company when you can mess with Elon? Because he's just winning at everything he does, and then financing 95% of his old house. I think he's selling it. Don't quote me on this, but he's pretty much giving this house away to Gene Wilder's nephew. So that's pretty awesome. I didn't click on it. I just seen it. And then we have Tesla solar roof about to pop off. So don't forget about it. That's pretty much the reason why I'm with Tesla, is because they're doing so many different things. To whereas Bezos, he's just Amazon and killing it, you know. So Tesla sitting at 420. What a beautiful number. Smoke them if you got them. And so yeah, it might be psychological support at 420, which makes sense because all the hippies out there are probably, yep, buying that 420 Tesla. And then we have Google Trends finally going up to a 40. And we'll check worldwide real quick. So yeah, coming up. And so the next phase, as if it went to last year, is just to go to 100. So we'll see if everybody wants to buy a car and it'd be a Tesla. So we're getting a little greedy on the fear and greed on the S&P 500. And so we'll get a little bit deeper into Tesla stock now. So when I left off, we were looking at Tesla, and it was the 6-hour green dot is where I left off. But I warned you guys to be careful of that because of the earnings volatility. And if we go back and look last time, here was earnings. It was looking bullish into earnings and then just mega dump through it. So I feel like it was just kind of a repeat of last time. And also, with that being said, we got some technical stuff drawn on it, as we spoke about earlier. And so it looks like we might get rejected off of this guy coming down, which could also be kind of drawn like this. But for now, we'll draw it like this. And so if we get up to 424, I'd be looking for a little bit of a pullback off the lower time frames. But if this 6 hour rolls over into the higher time frames, we'll see where we're at on that. And so we got the 4-day and the 5-day lost some momentum with MACD coming down. So that's pretty long-term bearish. We got the weekly, the 2-week red dot, so that's not very good at all. Last time we got it was right here before a pullback to the 55 moving average. So if we get the 3-week, that'll be even worse. But until that happens, I'd just be cautious on Tesla. But we'll just have to watch. As long as the 12-hour is in, that's kind of the easy way. I look at stocks like, is it 12-hour red dot or green dot? So if it's red dot, that's bearish. And the 6-hour is like a shorter term way I look at it. So as long as the 6-hour is red dot, I will be watching the 4-hour and the 1-hour. So if we got the 2-hour, what was that? The 3-hour death cross. So that is the let's see, that is the 21 and the 55. That's the gray and the green death crossing. So last time that happened was right here, which is pretty much the bottom, and then right here, basically the bottom. So, and then we'll see. So yeah, this time it was the bottom, but then it had another pullback. So looking at that, this is probably a bottom in Tesla, and we'll see how the support line. So if it's the bottom for now off of the 3-hour, that means Monday morning we should target 424, and that would be a percent gain of 0.87%. And then if we extended that out as a break of the pattern, that would be a 2.7%. So if we move this this guy up 2.7%, that would put us right at the 434 range. So I would be looking for 434 to get hit over time in Tesla. And as far as that goes, just more sideways, and then you have volatility on the 3-hour steadily contracting. So just look alive for that. And then we also have the 1-hour green dot. So just watch the 1-hour is pretty much the easy way to do it. And then if we see the 6-hour fade in, then I would see it target 434. And so checking out. Oh boy, hang on. If we do break two of me talking. Okay, so now we will check out the S&P 500, and we are getting hung up in our downsloping channel. So if so, looking at the 6, we're bullish on the S&P, so we might can move this up for now. And looking at the 12-hour, what's going on here? So if the 12-hour comes up, I would be bullish in the S&P. And then it looks like we have a little bit of a cup and handle here, where a cup and then you have your handle. So the measured move on something like this would be pointed up pretty significantly over time to 385. So if this is a cup and handle, then I'd target 385 over the long term, but we'll have to wait on the 3-day to green dot before I call that as a potential. And we will check out AMC since it's hype on Wall Street Bets. So looking at it, we got gold in the background on the 6. So when that happens, it's usually pretty oversold. But I'd just be waiting on the 3-day on AMC. So if we get the 3-day green dot, then I would say it's safe to start long in the bottoms off of the 6-hour. So until that happens, just be waiting patiently on it and stay safe out there, guys. And thanks for watching. See you next time.